You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. A name, a prose writer. Platonist. If you want to learn more names from ancient Greece, make sure to stay tuned. More Greek philosophy. I've got more for you. Apuleius. There are two different ways of pronouncing it in English, actually. Apuleius or Apuleius. Apuleius or Apuleius. It's easy, and now you know both correct pronunciations in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.